Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all tech things and social media. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove followers on Snapchat. Whether you are looking to declutter your friend list or protect your privacy, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you're already logged into your account. Now, Snapchat doesn't have a direct remove follower button like some other apps. But don't worry, there are a couple of easy ways to do this. You can either remove them as a friend or block them altogether. I will walk you through both methods step by step. At first, you have to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. In the profile interface, you have to search for My Friends. Tap on it. Once you are in My Friend, you have to select your followers whom you want to remove. Just press and hold on to the account. You can see various options. Select Manage Friendship. Here, if you want to remove your friend for short time, just tap on Block. Or you can tap on Remove Friend and delete the account so that the person can no longer send you snaps or messages. So this is how you remove followers from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.